Let me see. Is it a nine? Oh,
wow.
Very pretty. Gosh, you're gonna bling with your purse and your watch and
your furry purse.
Yeah.
She's an amazing woman.
That won't get in the way of carrying twins, will it?
Baby.
One on each hip?
Yeah.
That's why he's here, is to help. The hired help.
Baby, I think you're amazing. I love you so much.
Thanks, babe. I
You know
wanted
that?
this
You're
too.
going to be an amazing woman, you know that? I can't wait. Hey, Noah. Can I marry your mom?
Yes.
I can marry your mom?
oh god.
Maybe.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I love you so much, sweet baby.
Oh my
I
god.
want to spend the rest of my life with you, okay? Can you be my wife?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, this is my life.
I know. I love you so much, baby.
Oh, wow. Oh my god.
Did you say yes? I didn't hear it.
Yeah.
Okay. Just make it tell your dad. Because he's like, don't get mad at me if she says no.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Let me see.
Wow.
For what you asked for, Shayna.
Oh my goodness. Congratulations. Couldn't be happier. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Oh.
Look at her.